Ekman of Agora Financial is going overseas for his trade today. He has EEM on his list. This is an emerging markets play. We don't talk about this a lot on the show,
Right.
but you're seeing some good value here.
Right. It's an ETF that tracks the emerging markets that offer an opportunity here. What it is an indirect dollar play. Now, they had suffered because of the strong dollar that hurts growth around the world, but I'm looking for this to bounce back. So I'm looking at this with this dollar possibly stalling at these levels. New highs were made on Friday, but I think that was a last gasp in the dollar because, as we've said here before, we're not raising rates at all in 2019.
So what would be an option strategy?
So looking at this was an option stock substitution strategy. So this is trading around $42. Looking at a June $38 call, it's trading around $5. So it's $4 in the money. The break-even's $1 higher. So 40 has been an important midpoint, and we're maintaining above that. So that's the midpoint of the action that we've seen in the last year. So this has a delta of about 80%, so it's going to act like the stock, and 4 months of time for good things to happen.
For good things to happen. So what do you need to exactly have happen here for you to turn a profit?
Well, I'm looking for the dollar to stop going higher, like I said, and I think we're at an important point in that dollar index, and the fact 750 is the halfway mark of this larger overall move from 90 to 105 in that dollar. So let's lean on that. So risk reward sets up the dollar stop going higher. That would drive the EEM to the upside, and 47.50 is the first technical target.
The U.S. markets, as you know, have been performing well this year. You're very bullish on the United States.
Stocks are strong, but if you look at some of the other markets, they have a little bit of catching up to do. They have firmed up, and you've seen China break out, and you've seen Europe stabilize. So I think that's a good sign for everybody.
Good to have you on the show. Thanks so much for your Trader Talk today.
Thank you.
That's our show for today, but we are on social media. It's Business First AM on